Let the world know who you are in just a few words. Update your Facebook Lite bio and make your profile stand out. Here is how. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add bio on your profile in Facebook Lite. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook Lite app first and you will be on the home page of Facebook Lite. Now tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner. Then you will see several settings over here. Just sign for the settings and privacy, tap on it and again choose the settings. Here again you will see several settings over here like notifications, Facebook Lite updates, profile locking, profile details. Just tap on the profile details option and now from here you can add your all detailed information, everything. Like in work, add work experience, in education add university, add secondary school, where do you live, and scroll down a little, you will see here relationship status, life events, everything. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.